Now we're going to do creating equations and interpret these. So we have to know two things, viable and non-viable. Viable is when your statement is true or can happen, and non-viable is when your statement is not true. So let's look at some examples. There are 12.3 dogs. Is this viable or non-viable, and why? First off, we can't have 0.3 of a dog, so this is non-viable. I am 6.5 feet tall. Is this viable or non-viable? Someone can be half of a foot, so this is viable. Now we need to talk about a solution and not a solution. A solution is an answer to a problem, and not a solution is not an answer to a problem. So let's look at some examples. Is 7 a solution to x is greater than 14? Why? So let's go ahead and think of some numbers that are greater than 14. 15, 16, 17, and so on. So it wants to know if 7 is a solution. No, it is not. So it is not a solution. Here's another one. Is 1 a solution to x is less than 8? If we were to look on our number line and go ahead and think of numbers less than 8, it is 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, and so on. I notice that 1 is less than 8, so 1 is a solution. Finally, we are given a graph. We need to figure out what a solution is to this graph and what a non-solution is. So let's first look at what a solution is. This is a graph of an inequality. A solution is anywhere in the pink, in the shaded area. So I would say right there is a solution. And not a solution would be right here. So let's go ahead and look at if it tells us the point -2, 1. -2, 1 is right there. This is a solution. Now let's go ahead and look at the point 5, -4. I go right 5, down 4, and that is not in the shaded area. So this is not a solution.